This last area of the course content portfolio focuses on academic planning. Remember how I said that career exploration and academic planning kind of bleed together in the last few weeks of the semester. We'll be focusing on both career exploration and academic planning. However, they're both due at separate times in terms of when the artifacts and the learning reflection for each of those two sections are due. So this is the very last section that we'll focus on. Again, it is very similar to what you've seen before. It does have an example of academic planning rubric so that you can use that to guide you as you write your learning reflection. And then again, I have an academic planning sample learning reflection that you can use to guide you, just as an example. And then of course I have two examples here, a personal artifact examples and academic artifact examples that you can use to guide you. Please always refer back to the CSR method, which is the challenge, solution, and relate. Find a challenge that you have academically, both personally and academically, and find a solution to that personal challenge and a solution to that academic challenge. And then last but not least, you want to relate that to SLS 1122. A lot of people have a hard time seeing how personal and academic planning can be a part of each other, but think about money issues. You got to pay for college, so that is certainly a personal struggle that you have to figure out. Are you going to get grants? Are you going to get loans? So, research on types of loans and scholarships and things like that to help you pay for school would be very personal, because that would be different for each person individually. In terms of how much college costs, is primarily the same depending on if you're an in-state or an out-of-state tuition paying student, but personally how you're going to pay for school is different student to student. So you can easily see how there are ways that you can apply personal issues into academic planning.